Hi, this is Chef Eric and welcome to another episode of What's Cooking. Today I'm going to demonstrate how we're going to put together the springtime spinach, steak, and strawberry salad. We're going to start with the marinade for the flank steak. So first we're going to use olive oil, balsamic vinegar, soy sauce, barbecue sauce, some fresh minced garlic, some fresh chopped rosemary, and some salt and pepper. There's a lot of very robust earthy flavors in this marinade. The reason I chose to use flank steak is because it's a very porous cut of meat, which means that it'll take in the marinade. So we're going to marinate it overnight. Here's your flank steak. Pour the marinade over it. Make sure we get both sides covered in the marinade. And we'll rest that in the refrigerator overnight. So now that the steak is marinated overnight, we're going to put it on the grill to sear in all of those marinade flavors. Now that the steak is cooked to 140 degrees or medium, we let it rest for a little while so that all the flavors are equally distributed. And now I'm going to assemble the salad. We've got baby spinach, which is a very healthy alternative to iceberg lettuce. We'll fill your plate with that. And it is a springtime salad, and that's when strawberries come into use. So we'll give you a hearty amount of fresh strawberries. And we're also going to give pine nuts or pignolia nuts that I have lightly toasted in a saute pan to add a little crunch to your salad. Now we're going to take that flank steak, lay it on top, and then we're going to add the goat cheese crumbles right on top of the steak, and then finish off with some basil chiffonade. We'll be serving this salad with balsamic vinaigrette, or of course you have your choice of whatever dressing you would like. Cafe and at the bistro throughout next week, Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. It's not only nutritious, but it's also going to be delicious. Thank you, and we'll see you soon.